TCS just laid off 1,200 people, and this is just the beginning. By 2030, AI will erase millions of jobs, but not all. Today, I'll show you 5 jobs in India that AI will definitely replace, and 5 that are safe. The first one will shock you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Minimal Coder, where we decode tech for real people. Today's topic is urgent. Whether you're a student or already in IT, you need to know this. Customer care jobs are vanishing fast. ChatGPT-like bots can talk to 1,000 people at once, 24x7, for free. Big BPOs in India are already shifting to AI agents. Forms, bills, bank data, all now handled by OCR plus bots. Even Indian govt offices are automating basic data tasks. Writing for blogs, news summaries? ChatGPT can do it in seconds. Only creative or niche writers will survive. Simple websites now take minutes with AI tools. Entry-level coders doing just UI will face a tough future. Test automation tools like Marble and Testim are replacing manual testers. Unless you know scripting, your job is at risk. Now let's talk about jobs AI won't replace easily. These are the roles where human skills, creativity, and judgment still matter most. Data engineer. Data engineers build complex pipelines. AI can help, but not design scalable systems or fix broken infra. Now let's talk about jobs AI won't replace easily. These are the roles where human skills, creativity, and judgment still matter most. AI ML engineer. Irony alert. AI can't replace the people who build AI. Machine learning engineer. ML jobs need experimentation, modeling, and domain depth. AI can write code. Software engineer. But can it build a system that scales for 1 crore users? Real devs solve business problems, not just syntax. Product manager. PMs drive vision, strategy, and customer empathy. AI can assist, but not replace human judgment. Designer. Tools like DALL-E can design screens. But they don't understand emotion, culture, or intuition. The secret? Don't compete with AI, collaborate with it. Learn tools like Python, prompt engineering, and cloud, and you'll always stay relevant. Smash the like button if you learned something new. Comment your job role, and I'll tell you how safe it is from AI. Subscribe for more real-world tech updates. See you next time. Next video, India versus AI, real layoffs, real fear. We break down what TCS, Infosys, and startups are doing. Don't miss it.